Hello, welcome to our video. Today I'm going to show you this wonderful 5-inch Android 4.2 Jelly Bean smartphone. Let's have a look on the outside quickly. We've got obviously that 5-inch screen. We've got a hardware physical button here, and we've got two capacitive buttons either end. You'll see when the phone's turned on they light up. On the side we've got the power button. On this side we've got the volume rocker. On the bottom we've got a USB charging port. On the back we've got a camera and a flash. Forgot to mention we've got a front camera as well, and we've got a 9mm headphone jack as well. Okay, let me show you how to open it and put in the SIMs. We've got a little groove here and we just put our fingernails in. So once you've got the back open, you can see this smartphone actually takes 3 SIM cards. This is a world's first 3 SIM Android smartphone. So 2 SIMs here, normal standard size SIM and a micro SIM. Now this first one, SIM slot 1, takes a GSM SIM or a 3G SIM. This one takes GSM only, and the micro SIM takes GSM only. So you've got all bases covered there. 2 standard size SIM slots, one with 3G as well, and 1 micro SIM, and we've got a memory card slot up there as well, up to 32 gig. You don't have to use all the SIM slots, but you can if you want to. So essentially it's like carrying 3 phones at the same time, because they will all be active at the same time. And we just put the battery in just like that, and we put the back cover on. Okay, while it's turning on, let me show you what it comes with. It comes with a USB transfer and charging cable. It comes with a pair of headphones so you can listen to your music, but also you can take your own phone calls on it because it's got a little microphone. It also comes with a quick start introduction sort of instruction manual. It's all in English. It's very sort of simple, but there's lots of guides out there for Android 4.2, so if you need any help, do look it up online or give us a call. Now there is an optional extra case that we can offer you. Now this case is a superb case. This basically replaces your back cover, so your phone would go on there, and then you've got a sort of flip case. Now this flip case has also got a window in it as well, so you can see like the time up here, for example. You'll be able to see the time and date and things like that, and any notifications that you'll have. So that's a nice case that we're offering at extra. Now that we've got it started, let's have a little play. So I've got my usual Android lock screen, just unlock it there, and I've got several screens on here. Obviously if you understand Android, you know about these. These are basically like desktops on our on your computer. Let me quickly show you the notification tray. Here is where all your Android notifications will turn up. We've also got quick settings, so from here I can turn my Bluetooth, my 3G, my Wi-Fi and things like that off. Also you'll see on here my 2 SIM cards are working, so my Vodafone UK and my EE, or my Orange SIM. I haven't got micro SIM, so that's why I haven't got the micro SIM on here, but if I did have my micro SIM, you'd see 3 on here as well. So all 3 of my networks that I've got, they're all active at the same time, so I can make out calls from each of the SIMs. So I've got it set up so it shows me a call out button on the bottom, so I can call out. You can also set it up for it to ask you when you call out. Texts are the same. When you receive a call, you will know who's calling as well, so that's great. Now the other great thing about this as well, it has something called air gesture. So basically I can turn my hand like this and it will change various screens. It can change music, it can change pictures and things like that, but basically where the camera is, it can know that you're waving at it and it will change it. So that's another interesting feature that this phone has got. Let's look at the screen. You can see this screen is a superb screen. It's a multi-touch screen as well, and it's lovely and vibrant as well. So if we just have a look at some pictures and also look at the angles, I'm just going to twist it around. You can see the angles on this screen is actually superb. It's a very good quality screen. Not only does it give you a superb picture, but the angles and the colours and things like that are great. Obviously it's got multi-touch, and it's butter smooth. I'm just literally touching the screen, just brushing it with my fingers, and it's recognised the input, because this has got a good quality capacitive screen, and it's not just dual touch, it's multi-touch as well, not by two. Most phones will have 2 touch if they've got multi-touch, but this phone has got 5 touch, so it's more sensitive, it's not going to frustrate you using it, and it's better for games as well. More touch points you have, better for games as well. But you know, overall for using the phone, that 5-point touch is really useful, because it can recognize your input. This phone also comes with a Google Play Store. Some phones don't have that. Google Play Store is fantastic, because I can go to the Play Store and download new applications, new games, movies, books, whatnot, most of which are free as well. So you can download from your phone. You don't have to download it on your PC, put it on a memory card and transfer it and things. You can do it all from the comfort of your phone. So this has the official Google Play Store, and it's UK configured as well, so you're not going to get a load of junk on here. It's configured for the UK. Web browsing, let's have just a quick look on some web browsing. Let's go to our website. You can see on here we've got a keyboard as well, and if I flip it across this way, it will flip and I can use the keyboard like that. There we are, our website is loaded, and of course I can pinch and zoom to zoom in on various websites. So that's really great, and you can see how responsive and quick that is. That really is a quick phone. I like the fact this has got a hardware home button. Some phones these days don't have this hardware. I really like this hardware home button. Wherever I am, I can just press that and it's going to go to my, back to my desktop. Very quickly on the bottom we've got our calling out button, our contacts, our app tray. This is where all our applications are kept, along with our widgets as well. And I want to quickly show you, I didn't get a chance to show you earlier, but I want to quickly show you the video quality on this screen, because I really believe this screen is a superb screen. I've just turned on the music, which is here. Again, the notification tray is very handy in this. So as you can see, the screen is superb for watching videos and things like that. I also use iPlayer. iPlayer is great for catching up on your favourite programs, and if I just click that, iPlayer works really well on this phone as well. So catch up on all your favourite programs, and on this gorgeous 5-inch screen, it really is lovely.
One way to avoid capture is to drop out of the sky.
So there you can see iPlayer works superbly as well. Now what I'd like to do now is show you a few games, and you can see how capable this phone is playing games. So that's it on the gaming front. I could show you more, but you can see that this phone is very capable for 3D games and things. You may not want to play games, but it's nice to have the power there. Very quickly, I didn't show you before, let me show you the camera. Now this has got two cameras, one on the back and one on the front, and it's got all the usual camera effects. It will take pictures and videos. It's got 8 megapixel camera on the front, 2 megapixel camera on the 8 megapixel on the back and 2 megapixel on the front. And it's got the usual settings that you'd expect a smartphone to have. I can take panorama pictures, I can take HDR, I can do videos. I'm doing one there. So there's plenty of settings there. Okay, so let's wrap this up. This phone offers fantastic value for money. It is such a lovely phone. It's got that great 5-inch screen. It's got the dual cameras, and the build quality is actually quite good. It's got this lovely sort of carbon fibre back to it. It's plastic, but it does feel nice. It's got this lovely silver band round it. It's quite thin for a 5-inch phone. It's quite thin and light. Like I said, that screen is just superb. It's got a dual core processor, really powerful. It's got 1 gig of RAM, and it's got a quad core 3D processor doing the games and things. So it is a very, very capable phone. It does do free SIMs. It's the first of its kind. It's a tri-SIM smartphone. You don't need to use the free SIMs, but it's nice to know that it's there as well. So you know, if you're after a smartphone with a 5-inch screen, great value for money, powerful, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching our video, and I hope you choose to buy this phone.